Hello everyone. Today we are going to solve problem set 1 of Roman numerals. The topic Roman numerals, as I have explained in my previous video. If you want to check out, link is given in description below. So let's start with problem set 1. Problem set 1. Question number 1. Write all the numbers from 1 to 20 using Roman numerals. For that, you write first 1 to 20 numbers. For 1, we use I. For 5, V. And for 10, we use X. For 2, we have to write 2I. And for 3, we have to write 3I. Roman numeral for 4 is IV. And if you write before I of the biggest number, then you subtract that number from the biggest number. So 5 minus 1 is 4. Then for 6, VI. V means 5 plus 1, you get 6. 7, V and 2I. For 8, V means 5, 6, 7, 8. Then for 9, you cannot write the 4I because I you can write only 3 times. So for that, you take X and before that you write I, means 10 minus 1 is 9. 11 means 10 plus 1. For 10 we use X and 1 means I. That means you use XI for 11. Then X double I for 12. X 1, 2, 3I for 13. Then 14 means 10 plus 4. For 10 we use X and for 4 IV. So XIV is used for write 14. Then X means 10 plus 5. For 5 we use V. XV is the symbol for the number 15. Now XV 15 plus 1 I means 16. Then XV means 15, 16 and 17. For 18, X means 10, V means 5, 15. You get 16, 17 and 18. X plus X means 10 plus 10, 20, 2X. And for 19 means 10 plus 9. For 9 we use IX. So write here IX. You get the Roman numeral for 19. Now the question number 2. Write the following numbers using international numerals. Means they are given the numbers in Roman numerals. You have to write it into international numbers. Now V is represent for 5. So write here international number is 5. Then V means 5 and I means 1. So 5 plus 1 6 plus 1 7. X represent the Roman numeral for 10. Then X is used for 10, 11 and 12. Now X represent the number 10 and IV is used for 4. 10 plus 4 is 14. X means 10 plus Vi means 6. So 10 plus 6 is 16. You get that international number. X, again X means 10, V means 5. So X 10 plus 5 is 15, 16, 17 and 18. And IX means number 9. Now question number 3. Fill in the empty boxes. You can see the box. You have to fill empty boxes with the international numbers or with the Roman numbers. First one is 3. So you write the 3 in Roman numerals, that is 3I. Now next they given the Roman numerals and you have to write it into the number in words. V means 5 plus 1 6 7 and 8 means number is 8. Then 6 means V plus 1, 5 plus 1 is 6. Then next is X means 10 plus 1 11 and then 12. 15 means 10 plus 5. X V represent the number 15. Then X means 10 and IX means 9. 10 plus 9 19. So you write the number 19. Question number 4. Write the numbers using Roman numerals. Means they given the international numbers and you have to write the Roman numerals. 9, for 9 means IX. Then 4, next is 4. For 4 we write IV. 2, you have to write 2I. 11 means 10 plus 1. For 10 we use X and 1 I, so XI, that represent the number 11. And 17 means 10 plus 7 V plus 2I. And 18 X V and 3 times I. The question number 5 is, in the table below, each given number is written in international numerals and then again in Roman numerals. If it is written correctly in Roman numerals, put correct symbol in the box under it, and if not, put wrong symbol and correct it. In first column they given the international numerals, in second column Roman numerals, and in the third column you have to write whether it is right or wrong and correct it. See, the first number is 4 and for that they given the Roman numeral as a 4I. It is wrong because the symbol I can be repeated consecutively for a maximum of 3 times. So it is wrong and correct symbol is IV. Then 6, for 6 they use VI. V means 5 plus 1 means 6. So it is correct. So write the correct symbol in the box. 8, they write IIX. It is wrong because we never write the symbol I 2 times before that number, and correct symbol is VII. Then 16, 10, they write here XVI, so X means 10, V means 5, and 1 means I means 1. So 10 plus 5 is 15 and 1 16, so it is correct. Then for 15, they write 3 times V. It is wrong because the numeral V is never repeated consequently, so it is wrong, and the correct symbol is XV. X means 10 and V means 5, so 10 plus 5 is 15.